Microsoft typically releases Windows updates on the second Tuesday of every month, but every once in a while they will release a preview update at the end of the month with additional features or fixes. These updates don't install on their own or prompt you like the normal monthly updates, but you can still install them manually if you'd like to. To do so, click on the Start button, go to Settings, and click on Windows Update in the left column. To the right, you can see that there is a preview update available for me. If you see one available and you want to install it, click Download and Install. If you don't see the preview update, but you know that one has been released, then there is an additional option that you might need to enable. Down below, you'll see Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Click the toggle to the right of it to turn the option on. Now you can click Check for Updates, and the preview update will show up and begin installing. From this point on, you just go through the Windows update process like normal. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.